as I was turning it. What should we name our channel? Ryan Monopods. Let's go racing! Whoa!
Yeah, pretty clean in there.
Mine.
You can turn it the other way, just in case any oil drips out. Don't get on the garage floor.
Probably already did. What are these?
Push rods.
Push rods? Aren't
These
they
are
pushing?
rockers. That's a rocker shaft assembly.
I want my hands on this beautiful piece of artwork. Get my hands all dirty. Get my hands all dirty.
See, push rod right here. Rocker assembly. This is your valve spring.
I found oil somewhere around
When we
here.
pull the head off, you'll see the valves under there.
Oh, I found oil right here.
Okay. Don't look real bad in there.
How do my hands look?
See if you can back it out with your hand. Alright, so you're pulling each one of these out.
We need the national anthem for the engine.
Yeah. I'll throw that guy over there. And I missed it.
Go pick it up.
I'll get it. And then this should lift off as one assembly. And then these push rods we can just pull out. He's got so much. Alright, hold on. It's lifting the stand up. Alright, go ahead and put that bar back in there and jack it up. Yeah.
Just 5 minutes.
Yeah, just go slow. Man, he had a lot of RTV on that.
What is
See
that?
the orange stuff? Like a, and he's got silicone in the back. Keep going.
It's slow.
Yeah, yeah, we can definitely tell you how to part. Look at these gaskets aren't even that old. All right, that should be high enough.